A Valley-based company is working on a new product that the CEO believes could help prevent a mass shooting.
Axon says that it's working on a non-lethal taser drone that could be deployed in an emergency. Team 12's Bianca Bono talked to the CEO about this idea. And Bianca, how far away are they from making this a reality?
Well, Caribe, I'm told about 2 years until the product is finished, and they'd still likely have to go through a legislative process. But experts I talked to say this is a different approach and seems promising. Like every American,
I get absolutely frustrated.
Rick Smith is frustrated by a lack of change in an effort to prevent mass shootings.
The last major gun control act was passed in 1968 before I was born, and the numbers have almost doubled in terms of the number of people killed since then.
Which is why the CEO and founder of Axon said he didn't want to wait any longer, proposing a solution of his own, a non-lethal taser drone in schools.
Think of it like a smoke detector, a piece of safety equipment that's on site, that's hidden away. Nobody needs to know it's there. And if there's a person who shows up to school with a gun, a teacher or any administrator could hit a panic button.
Smith says that would then allow for law enforcement to get a live look at the room with the device's built-in camera and activate the drone with the goal of incapacitating the suspect using the taser attached to it.
We want to make sure we're designing the system with the right safeguards in place to make sure it can be used to protect people from mass shooting events, but that it can't be easily abused.
Anything that we can do to add another layer of a response, when our preventative measures fail, we need to take a look at them.
Joe Didon of TAC One Consulting conducts active shooter training. While he's intrigued by the technology, he says there will be lots of community questions, especially when it comes to the device's safety and security.
I think some of the biggest concerns with the school districts and whatnot implementing it is going to be who has access to it and when it will be used.
Smith says the product is 2 years away from completion, but is announcing it now to give time to address those concerns, but believes a new approach to responding to these horrific shootings is necessary.
We are going to step up and we're going to bring a real solution to the table.
And Smith is hosting a 4-hour Reddit discussion where you can ask him anything about this product. That's Friday at 10 a.m. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, great idea. Thanks so much, Bianca.